We are in Shanghai, China, and if you are planning a vacation in Shanghai in the future, this video is for you. First, we'll be doing the Huangpu River cruise of Shanghai. It is one of the best things to do in the municipality, and it's a quick and easy way to see Shanghai. And after that, I will show you one of the best places to visit when you're in Shanghai. This is the Bund. It's amazing here. And this is one of my favorite places in Shanghai. And of course, we cannot finish the video without eating, so we are going to try a famous food court in Nanjing pedestrian road. So if you are interested in all these things, I'm inviting you to go with me. Let's go. I save a lot of money from that promo. There you go. Supposedly 120 yuan, Chinese yuan for the night tour, and this ticket we only paid 118 for it with the bus ticket, with the bus tour. So this saved us the promo saved us a lot of money. So watch out for the promo. Ask for the promo because it will save you maybe $100 more, $100, 100 yuan. You can ask for the promo tour in any city sightseeing bus station. If you're watching this, make sure to ask for that promo or for that combo city bus ticket with a boat tour. All right, so that's the boat right there. Oh, maybe this is the boat. I'm not sure. I think this is the boat. That's a nice boat right there. I want to go. I hope we can have a spot on the deck. I like a deck spot. It's gonna be cold, but it's gonna be worth it. Wow, what's up, man? All right, look at this. This is nice. Oh, nice. Let's get a spot. I got Filipinos here! Kabayans! Kabayans! Yeah, what's up?
So nice here!
Yeah, it's so nice.
Oh my god, it's nice.
Look at that, it's so beautiful, it's so peaceful. This is nice, yeah? So, another check on the bucket list. Yeah, I think the night tour is better than the day tour. Look at that. Look at this. There's a yacht over there. Yeah, but we got the arch one, so we got better boat. Oh, that's a nice, yeah. It's just so cold. It's just so cold. Wow. Wow. Alright. Oh, that's nice. That's beautiful.
Left contact. Left part.
Alright, did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was amazing.
Alright, so nice.
Thank you.
Are you doing solo? We're back at the port and look at that. Shanghai Tower, Pearl Tower. It's amazing, it's nice. And the Bund over there. Woo! This is a nice cruise. It's worth it, guys. So that's a very affordable cruise to enjoy Shanghai. And it's very recommended. That's our boat, Chuanjiang 3. Next, we are going to have dinner in the pedestrian, Nanjing pedestrian street, right?
Yep.
Is this your summer in Bulgaria?
I'm cold,
Yeah.
but like as I told you that this is not my destination. I'm here just because like I know it's cheaper flights.
Oh,
so
yeah.
I'm going to 30 degrees tomorrow. So I like basically didn't want to pack any winter clothes.
All right.
But that's why I'm just like kind of without any winter clothes now. It is much more colder than here.
So you're
that's
used to
true.
this?
I'm used to this,
Okay.
but that doesn't mean I'm not cold now.
All right.
So yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Have a
Are
good
you
night.
posting them somewhere?
Yeah, YouTube.
Oh, can I see you? Can I have your channel if I would make an appearance there?
All right. So, what's your name?
Elena?
Elena.
Elena, yes.
Elena.
Yes.
Elena,
Yes,
and
correct.
I'm Shane, and this is my wife Tanya.
Nice meeting you. Nice
All right.
meeting you.
So Elena from Bulgaria.
Correct.
All right.
yes.
So I never been there, but maybe in the
you
future.
should visit.
All right. So Elena, have a good
Amazing,
night.
really nice meeting you.
All right, so,
I'm so excited to go to Philippines. It's like such a coincidence that I'm going. So that's why all my suitcases are with Philippines clothes and no
Yeah.
jackets. But yeah.
Yeah, you don't
really
need
nice
jacket to
meeting
Philippines.
you.
Nice meeting you.
Correct. And enjoy your stay in Shanghai.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good
bye-bye.
night.
I'll follow you now.
Right, so that's Elena from Bulgaria. I told you, it's like her summer. I told her, and she doesn't believe me.
I do.
Because I know my geography. She doesn't know.
I believe you.
I love you. We didn't have a chance to see this, but now, here you go. Ooh, B. Nice. Look. The crown building. Look, B. Crown building.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so there's a statue behind me, and I'm not sure what statue is this. Do you know, B? What statue is that? What? Oh, it's what's that? Oh, lighthouse. It must be a lighthouse before. Yeah. So it says that it's the Gutslav signal tower. So is that a lighthouse? Do you think they just translated it wrong? Signal tower. Maybe it's a lighthouse. Both sides, beautiful. Building both sides, heritage buildings, both sides, beautiful. I think yeah. So if you come here in Shanghai in the Bund, make sure to take your photo right there in that spot. We got crickets and bugs here. Should I eat? Me? Do you want to taste? There's a lot of people today or tonight. Maybe because it's still early. Ooh, yummy. We have a live singer here. I hope that won't get copyrighted. Yeah. How much for this one?
25.
25. How about this one?
25.
25. Alright, so I had some, I like this. I love chicken feet, rice, some mian, and then we had some beef and squid. Yummy. That's for dinner, and that says everything. So this is what I want.
Your
Yummy, yummy.
favorite.
I actually enjoyed everything, and it's pretty affordable. For everything that we had that dinner, it's only around 40 to 50 yuan. That's around 10 US dollars, and that's a lot of food for that price, especially in a touristy area like Nanjing, Pelayaran. There's a lot of stores here, souvenir shops. Is that a White Rabbit store?
Yeah.
Everything White Rabbit?
Yeah.
White Rabbit is I think it's a popular candy here in China.
Yeah.
And even in the Philippines, we got White Rabbit before.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So here it is. White Rabbit candy. I think the Xiaolongbao crab roe Xiaolongbao, it's a Shanghai specialty. Yeah?
Yeah.
We've been seeing it everywhere. And there's one here actually. So we saw a dessert here, yeah? It's a tart, egg tart. So it's always good to eat egg tart. Ah, shishi. Thank you. See, look at that. Looks good. This looks good, man. Looks good. So we were just walking in the Nanjing pedestrian road, and we saw this. This area. It's called Circus in Town. So yeah, it's like a night market here in Nanjing pedestrian road. Circus in Town. It's a Christmas themed kind of night market. What's a pop mart?
Where they sell the labubus.
Ah, labubus. I don't like labubus.